Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Podio. So here let's assume that I have a business which I am promoting through Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Podio account as well. So now to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use Pabbly Connect. Here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Podio. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Podio. So here let's assume that I have an event management business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Podio account. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. And now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Podio, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads to Podio, and here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook lead details in my Podio account. So here in Pabbly Connect, moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application, and now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So as I've selected my trigger application, now moving to the action window. Here, as I want to add the lead details in Podio, so here Podio will be my action application. And the action event will be to create an item. So over here it is. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is to add Facebook leads to Podio. So now moving to my trigger window. Now to automate this entire process, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And in order to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads because I've already opened Facebook lead ads on one of the tabs. And the authorization is successful. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the Facebook page that I've created by the name of Sparkle Evenings. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select the page as Sparkle Evenings. Here it is. Now after selecting the page, I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads form which I've created. So I want to use this lead ad form by the name of new contact leads form. And this is how the form looks like. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the same. So as here you can see that I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. Now that means I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So in order to do a test submission, I'm going to this new tab and here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And in my apps, I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So now from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page. After selecting the page, I'm going to select the lead gen form which I'm going to use. And after selecting the page and form, here I'm going to click on preview form. So here this is the lead ad form and I filled in the details of the contact number, email, first name and the last name. So as I filled in the details, I'm going to submit this form. And over here it says, thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received a response. Here's the contact number, email, first name, last name, created date and time, along with some other details. So here in Pabbly Connect, the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here with the details. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now by using the same details, I want to create an item in Podio. So here to do that, I need to establish a connection between Podio and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now, in order to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Podio. I've already opened Podio in one of my tabs. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Podio and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the organization ID and the workspace ID part. So for these details, I'm going to take you to my Podio account. So here in Podio, you can see that these are the two organizations by the name of second organization and Pabbly. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to select the organization as second organization from this drop down. And now moving to the workspace ID. So here these are the workspace ID which I've created in second organization, and I want to use this workspace by the name of integration. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the workspace as integration. So after selecting the workspace ID, so here the application ID will also be the integration one. So here I'm going to select it as integration. And as you can see that I've mentioned these details. So as of now, I'm not going to provide the external ID. I'm going to leave this field blank. So now moving to these details of name, email and the phone number. So here to mention these details of name, email, phone, firstly you have to read this instruction that is given. It says provide data in items fields in a specific format. Please have a look at this thread to how to pass data in items field. So here I'm going to click on this. And over here is the instruction given. So here it says that these are the details that how you can pass the data for the different supported fields. So as over here in Pabbly Connect, I want to mention the name, email and phone. So as per the instruction that is given, this is the format which is to be followed for the name. And over here is the format for the phone number and here is for the email. So here for the name, this format is to be followed, and for the phone, and this here is for the email. So over here you can change the type as per your requirement. You can either keep it as home, work or etc. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to follow the same format. So over here, as you can see that I have followed the proper format and I've mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means the Facebook lead ads detail is successfully added in my Podio account. So I'm going to take you to my Podio account, and over here in this workspace, I'm just going to refresh it. So now here you can see the Facebook lead details. So here is the name as demo user, here is the email, here is the phone number. So that means over here in Podio, the Facebook lead details is successfully added. So this automation is the successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be added in my Podio account as well. So if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.